Hey friends, we're Lakota and we are extremely excited to show you our very first Lakota with recliners on the riser wall. This is something that our amazing purchasing, engineering, and production teams dove into, and they were able to make this work. And now that we've done this is going to be available on just about any of our sofa on the riser wall floor plans. So it's definitely worth reaching out to either us or your local dealer if you've got something in mind. This one is actually our shown here in our Bighorn 13SR floor plan. So typically this one would have 13 feet of living quarters with the sofa on the riser wall. Obviously this one's substituted in the recliners instead of the sofa. And I do want to tell you that the recliners do add a little bit of length to the trailer, so they can recline out and whatnot. So just something to keep in mind if you've got a certain floor plan in mind where you'd like to substitute these in for the sofa. It will add a little bit of length, but otherwise just turned out really nicely. Lots of great benefits here. So for this floor plan in particular, it has the Dream Dinette over in the slide out. That'll flip down easily into a bed, easily converts. Each of those recliners can flip back. So that's 2 more sleeping spots. And you've got the big bed up in the gooseneck that can sleep 2 people. So, and even a little bit more compact of a trailer like this one, you can still sleep 5 people in this one. Looking up in the gooseneck, very residential. And as you know, probably one of our very most popular floor plans, if not our most popular, is a Charger floor plan that's very similar to this. And we're excited that now you can also option the recliners in that one as well. Like we said, as well as many other of our Charger and Bighorn sofa on riser wall floor plans. As we walk around this one, why don't we just kind of keep doing a tour of this trailer? As we said, very popular layout in our similar Charger layout of this one, but this has become really popular in our Bighorns as well. Easy to see why. So even some nice hanging storage that maybe a little bit of an underrated aspect in this floor plan. So you're able to fit a lot into a little bit more compact of a floor plan, and that's why it's been so popular. Not everybody wants or needs quite as big of a trailer, and this is a great option for you. Why don't we go over to the kitchen? So it has a single bowl sink in it. Standard, you'd get the recessed oven and 3-burner cooktop. This customer just decided to go with more in the drawer department and substitute out the oven, but it still has that 3-burner cooktop. Really nice decor in this one. It has our St. Louis alder interior wood, and that's paired really nicely with our Bowman saddle Diviani oak upholstery. That's been really popular upholstery option. It pairs really nicely with this St. Louis alder interior wood. As always, you're getting those unrivaled standard features. More residential and more luxurious than ever before. Let's go into the restroom here. More nice hanging storage right here. You also see the radius shower. Pass through door back to the horse area. This one's a 4-horse slant load. And why don't we just get a full picture of this trailer, make our way outside and just get a quick little walk around the exterior of this one, just so you can see the whole thing. It's got the white exterior. All the things that people love about your Bighorn. You see the full slat, that 7.5-inch top rail, that Bighorn graphics package, really popping on the white exterior, frameless windows, stainless steel nose. So a really cool floor plan with a very exciting new option that we're sure we're going to do a lot with these recliners on the riser wall. And like we said, we can do it in just about any Charger or Bighorn floor plan that has the sofa on the riser wall. So we think it's going to be a really popular new option. As we said, it adds a little bit of length, so just something to keep in mind. But definitely feel free to reach out to us or your local dealer if you have any questions. LakotaTrailers.com. Let us help you build a Lakota that best meets your travel needs.